Hello guys, this is Ivan. It is Saturday evening here, so no trades, maybe crypto. Today I wanna present you Omega Turbo package, let's say package, because we have 3 expert advisors plus 1 indicator Omega, and this is all very new from yesterday. Omega Turbo V29 Pro updated today, improved also. Then we have Omega Turbo EA Gold Edition, specially for gold, special expert advisor, not settings but expert advisor for gold. And we have Omega Turbo Bitcoin Edition, specially made for Bitcoin. So this is 3 different expert advisors. But we have also Omega V29 indicator. You see, waiting for signals, no market today, so this is it. 3 plus 1, 3 EAs plus indicator of the best trading system ever we had on our webpage and on my YouTube. Because Omega Turbo Trader indicator or EA is our most wanted products. Either you want to trade manually or with expert advisors. So, you know, I put here indicator or expert advisor. It is 289 like before and 189. So if you calculate that we have 3 expert advisors different, this is over 800 euro, and this is all 4 package, if you calculate, almost 1000 euro. So next 24 hours, guys, special offer for package of 4 free EA, which you have seen, plus 1 indicator, only for, it is about 10% of price, 99 euro. Next 24 hours for my subscribers or for my previous customers. You will get also trading guide, how to use it, how to trade, how to set up, and many other details, at least 10 pages of manuals. So this is it, guys. Next 24 hours, special Omega Turbo package for EA, Gold, Bitcoin Standard plus indicator. Omega. You see, this is indicator, and this is 2 and 3rd expert advisor. 4 for only 99. 3 expert advisors plus 1 indicator. Good night. See you. Bye bye.